trains. Already we know if the speed is in kilometer per hour, how to change it to meter per second, multiplying with 5 by 18. If the speed is in meter per second, how to change it to kilometer per hour, 18 by 5, you have to multiply. Okay, this is about speed conversions from higher unit to lower unit to higher unit. Other than this, in the problems on trains, we will come across different situations like a train is crossing a pole or a standing man or a signal post. Okay, this is the case one, first case. A train, it is crossing a stationary object or a platform whose length is b. Okay, here length will be negligible. A human or a lamp post length is negligible. Okay, so we will not take any length. A train is crossing a stationary object or a platform. Okay, railway platform. There will be some considerable length of the platform. Okay, comparable to the train. Length of the platform is considerable, but length of the standing man or signal post, which is very negligible. This is the second case. Third case, two trains, they are moving in the same direction. Their relative speed will be subtracted. Train 1 speed is u meter per second. Train 2 speed is v meter per second. Their relative speed will be u minus v if they are moving in the same direction. Now two trains, they are moving in opposite direction, means their speeds can be added. They can cross each other quickly. This is about same direction, opposite direction. Okay. So case 1 is crossing a man or lamppost. Case 2 is crossing a platform or a stationary object. Case 3 is two trains moving in same direction. Case 4 is moving in opposite direction. Last one, two trains are moving in opposite direction. The length of the trains are A and B. Then the time taken to cross each other. Is sum of the length. Okay, this is time. Time is nothing but distance by speed. Distance is nothing but the length of the two trains, A plus B. They are moving opposite, so their speeds also will get added, u plus v. These are the basic formulas we have to remember in the problems of trains. I am going to the first problem. A train running at a speed of 60 km per hour crosses a pole. A pole is present. A lamp or a pole is present. A train is crossing. Okay, in 9 seconds. So when the head is coming to the pole and the tail reaches the other side of the pole. Tail of the train reaches the other side of the pole. It is taking 9 seconds time for doing this. Okay, this is head of the train and this is tail of the train. So for completely passing out of the pole, it is taking 9 seconds. What is the length of the train? I will assume length of the train is L. Okay, and the length of the pole is negligible, as I told, negligible. We are supposed to find the length or distance. This can be taken as the distance. Distance is nothing but speed into time. And the speed is given 60 km per hour. And the time is given in seconds. So I will try to change this to meter per second. You are changing to lower unit, so multiply with 5 by 18. And the value will become meter per second. Okay. And here 3 into 20, 3 into 6, and 2 3s are, and 2 10s are. This is nothing but 50 by 2, which is 25 meter per second. And the speed is 25 and time is 9 seconds. 25 into 9, I am getting 9, which will become 225. Somewhere in the calculation I have done mistake. 60 km per hour. What is the length of the train? Length is given in meters. Speed of the train 60 km per hour. Okay, 60 into 5 by 18, this is correct. And 3 6 sir, 3 20 sir. Here I have to write, I am cancelling with 3, so here it should be, sorry, I am cancelling with 2, so here it should be 3. Okay, I am cancelling with 2, so here it is 10. 50 by 3. This is 50 by 3 meter per second. 50 by 3 meter per second. Now, if you see here, 3 ones are, 3 threes are, 50 into 3, it is 150 meters. 50 into 3, it is 150 meters. Okay, just in the simplification, I have done a small mistake. The answer is 150 meters length hour. Okay, and the train length is 125 meter. If you see here, train is passing a man, and man is running with a speed of 5 kilometer per hour, and the train length is 125 meter. Train length is 125 meter. Okay, so train is crossing the man in 10 seconds. Train is crossing the man in 10 seconds. Let me assume the speed of the train be x kilometer per hour, because man's speed is given in kilometer per hour. Both of them are moving in same direction, so the relative speed will get subtracted. So x minus 5. Okay, this is in kilometer per hour, relative speed of them. Man length is negligible. Okay, if you see, the relative speed is nothing but distance by time. Distance we will take only length of the train. Length of the man is negligible compared to length of the train, and the time taken is 10 seconds. But the relative speed, if you see, both are moving in same direction. Okay, x minus 5. Now if you see RHS, it is 125 by 10. Numerator is meter, denominator is seconds. So I have to convert it to upper unit, because left side I have it in kilometer per hour. So right side I have to convert to upper unit. So I am multiplying with 18 by 5. So x minus 5 equal to, if you simplify here, 5 ones are, 5 25s are, 5 twos are, 5 5s are, and 2 ones are, 2 nines are. 9 into 5 is 45. So x is nothing but 45 plus 5, which is 50 kilometer per hour, because both sides I have converted to same units, 50 kilometer per hour. What is this x? Train speed we are assuming. They are also asking the speed of the train, which is 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. So all these are we have to assume as stories, and it will be very easy for calculation if we assume it as stories.